Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will create a cool looking text effect. Take a type tool and type your text. I will provide the fonts link in description so you can download that font. Let's resize it. Now add a layer mask to it. Let's decrease the opacity. Take a brush tool, make sure it has 100% hardness. Make sure foreground color is black and paint over these areas which we want to hide. Let's paint it there. Now let's paint here. We are making an effect which looks like our text is underneath the flower. Let's paint over here. Let's paint over here. Let's remove the tail of E. Now bring up the opacity to 100%. Let's refine these edges. Now create a new layer. Make sure to clip it. Select the darkest area and decrease the hardness and paint over these areas so we create a shadows. Nicely paint over these areas. This will make it look like more realistic. Bring down the opacity. Now click on the text tool and right click, go to blending options, click on drop shadow. Adjust the angle, pick up the darkest area and increase the size. Let's add contrast and brightness in order to make the colors pop up. Let's create a new layer. Let's paint over with the 0% hardness in order to create a vignette effect. Let's bring down the opacity. And here you have it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.